Hello everyone and welcome back to the series of Getyn CRM. In this video, we are going to look at an important feature that is adding data into the CRM as a lead. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you click on the leads module, at the top right corner, you could see two buttons. One is the import CSV and second is the add lead. Talking about the import CSV, as the name suggests, in this you are required to provide a CSV file from your device into the system. The CRM would automatically find the mapping rows and the column, and according to that, the data would be fed into the CRM. Let me show you how it is done. Click on the button. Browse a CSV file from your device, like I choose this one. So here you could see found 8 columns and 7 rows mapping. You could also preview the data before importing it. Click on the preview import and see that is the data that is going to be fed into the system, and this is how it is going to be organized. So you just need to click on the import 7 leads and done. Close this. So as you could see, 11 new leads. Earlier it was 4, I guess, and now it's 11. So that is how the import CSV function of adding lead into the Getyn CRM works. The next section and the next way is the add lead, which is the manual way. In this, you will be going through many subsections where you will be required to provide the data according to them. Let's see how it is done. Click on the add lead button. So the first subsection that you could see is the basic lead information. In this, you need to provide the name, the email address, the phone number, and the other details if you are having any. And coming to the next subsection is the company information. So in case if your client is a company or it's a corporate client, so you could also specify the company information like the name, the website, the industry to which it is related to. So we have few examples here like the technology, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and other. Some other information like what is the size of the company, revenue, if you are having that, the country, and the complete address of the company. And with that, we come to the next subsection, which is the lead source and attribution. So in this, you need to provide the source of the lead, like from where the lead is coming to you. So here you could also see the UTM source. So UTM is basically the urchin tracking module. It is a tracking module which is designed to track the traffic of the data. So in the context of the lead, it refers to the source from which the lead is coming to you. So you could specify that what is the medium. UTM medium is basically like what medium did the lead use to approach you. So did the lead approach you via email medium, the WhatsApp, or it was a chat widget. So anything you could provide here. Similarly, the UTM campaign terms and content, if you are having that, you could provide that. Next is the lead qualification. So in this, you are required to provide the lead status. Though, so for every new lead, the status would be new, but as the engagement goes on, you could shift to it to contacted, qualified, proposal, lost, converted. So these are the statuses that you could apply it on the leads. Then is the lead source. So lead source is basically a numerical depiction of the engagement level between the sales representative and the lead. So higher the lead score, higher is the engagement level, and it therefore reflect to the potential of the lead getting converted into the deal. Similarly, the temperature. So if there is a high engagement level, you could provide it a hot temperature, then coming down to warm and then the cold. So if the lead is very dead, so you could provide the cold temperature as well. Then so one important section is the interest level. Like what is the interest level the lead is showing in your product. Accordingly, you could provide that as well. And with that, the next subsection is the ownership and the assignment. So here, if there is any account related to the lead, you could map that account here to which team the lead is going to be associated. So you could assign that team and what should be the next follow-up date you could provide it. So with that, we come to the next subsection, that is the deal potential. So here you could provide what could be the expected deal value and what is the product the lead is interested in, the sales pipeline, and the expected close date. So what is going to be the expected close date? You could provide that. Then comes the section of the tags and segmentation. So here you could provide the tags, the lead category, inbound, outbound, anything, and the priority level. So what priority should be given to the lead? You could provide it here. Critical, high, medium, and low. These are the priority levels. Then we have the subsection of the notes. You could add the notes as per your convenience. So there are two categories, the simple notes and the internal notes. And with that, we come to the last subsection, that is the custom fields. So the Getyn CRM provides you a feature of adding custom fields into the subsection. So in case if there is any information that you're having which is not getting fit in any of the subsections, you could create your own custom field and that custom field would appear here and you could provide your information in that section. So that is how you create a lead manually, and after filling out the details, the button you need to click on this create lead button. Let me show you how it is done. So if I click on John and see, just click on the create lead and a lead is created. So that was all in this video. In the next one, we will understand what this KPI cards are and what are the other like views which are given by the Getyn CRM to you. So wait until then. See you. Bye bye.